This one is for the guys and/or for the significant others of those guys who do not know how to ask for help when it comes to their prostate health. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Curtis and my brand is Avocado Five, a channel to showcases some of the health, wellness and education products I personally believe in. Today, I'm delving into a topic that holds immense significance for men's health. Today I am talking about prostate health supplements. Are these supplements truly the key to a healthy prostate, or are there misconceptions surrounding them? Join me as I uncover the unvarnished truth about prostate health supplements. Before we begin, let's talk about BPH, or benign prostatic hyperplasia. BPH is a prevalent health condition that becomes increasingly prevalent as one ages. It's alternatively referred to as an enlarged prostate. Situated just beneath the bladder, the prostate is a small gland crucial for semen production. As the years pass, it commonly undergoes enlargement. The enlargement of the prostate can result in bothersome symptoms, including obstructing the urinary flow from the bladder. Additionally, it has the potential to lead to complications involving the bladder, urinary tract, or even the kidneys. Symptoms include frequent or urgent need to urinate, increased frequency of nighttime urination, difficulty initiating urination, feeble urine stream, characterized by interruptions, dribbling at the conclusion of urination, or incomplete emptying of the bladder. Identifying and addressing potential underlying causes is crucial. Without intervention, the risk of a critical urinary tract obstruction may escalate. In cases where urination becomes impossible, urinary retention, seek urgent care as soon as possible. So now that I have dived into the nitty-gritty of BPH, let's talk about how to deal with it. You've undoubtedly come across the buzz surrounding various supplements promising to bolster prostate health. These supplements frequently tout ingredients like palmetto, beta-sitosterol, and zinc. But the question lingers, do they genuinely deliver on their promises? Today, we're peeling back the layers to discern fact from fiction. Let's start by dispelling some common misconceptions. Myth number 1. Supplements can serve as a substitute for a balanced lifestyle. While they can complement a healthy diet and regular exercise, they're no substitute for an all-around well-being regimen. Myth number 2. Not all supplements are created equal. It's crucial to choose reputable brands supported by scientific research. Now let's take a brief pause. I encourage you to watch until the end of this video and also to click the link in the description to find out more information on a product that's being highly talked about. Now, let's delve into the science behind the pivotal ingredients. Palmetto often takes the spotlight due to its potential impact on prostate health. While some studies hint at its ability to alleviate urinary symptoms, the results remain mixed. Beta-sitosterol, found in numerous plant foods, shows promise in enhancing urinary flow. Zinc, a vital mineral for prostate function, is essential, but excessive intake doesn't necessarily yield better results. Navigating the landscape of clinical studies can be a daunting task. It's important to recognize that many studies yield inconclusive findings, and outcomes can diverge significantly. While some studies propose positive effects of supplements on prostate health, others assert minimal to no benefits. Always consult a healthcare professional before introducing supplements into your routine. Prostate health is a composite outcome influenced by a medley of factors, encompassing diet, exercise, and overall lifestyle choices. A diet enriched with fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats contributes to overall well-being. Staying physically active and maintaining a healthy weight also play a pivotal role in supporting prostate health. When contemplating prostate health supplements, exercising prudent caution is paramount. While certain ingredients may show potential promise, they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. Consultation with a qualified healthcare provider is essential to ascertain your individual needs and make informed decisions. To aid you in making informed choices regarding prostate health supplements, here are some insights to consider. Research the brands and opt for those subjected to third-party testing. Seek out reviews from credible sources, and most importantly, engage in a discussion with your healthcare provider about potential interactions with any medications you may be taking. If you found this video insightful, please don't hesitate to show your support by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with those who could find value in this knowledge. Lastly, there is one product worth checking out. Gorilla Flow stands as a wholesome supplement crafted by professionals with the aim of enhancing men's prostate well-being. By promoting healthy levels and potentially diminishing the risk of prostatitis, it functions as a potential anti-prostate tonic. This becomes especially relevant for men aged 35 and above, where the influence of inflammatory estrogen could contribute to prostate growth. Hence, the utilization of this specialized supplement could prove beneficial in addressing such concerns. Please find the link for Gorilla Flow in the description for more information. Thank you again, and please hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Until next time, take care of your prostate.